Good afternoon, guys. This is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing in front of our 2019 Sea Ray 290 sun deck. Let's take a quick look. Nice white sports arch there with the tan bimini top. Come around the back of the boat, we're going to have the faux teak insert on your swim deck. Nice manual submersible swim step here too. Kind of goes in and out. Nicer when you're lounging out. Cool off a little bit. Stepping on the boat. We're gonna have twin recliners here. Plenty of spots for drinks. Both of these storage compartments are insulated. Walking on, the faux teak insert comes all the way through. Nice step, easy access on and off your dock. Also walking, we're gonna have our wet bar configuration here. Nice spots for trash. Stepping into the boat, nice L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. Tons of room to sit. Also with our captain's chair, double wide captain's chair. Same here on the companion side. They both go forward. Again, just giving you tons of space here to lounge out. Thigh-high bolster. Again, same thing on your companion side. Up at the dash here, we're gonna have our Simrad display, our Fusion stereo display, obviously our leather wrapped steering wheel, all of our switching. Very spacious head compartment. Up here in the bow, again, you can see tons of spots to sit. Tons of room. This boat has an optional bow filler cushion, so you can fill this whole area in here with a pad. Nice spot to lounge out. Front, we're gonna have our windlass, and also a nice little spreader so you can get your feet nice and clean while getting on and off your boat. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat, feel free to give me a call, 732-551-8914. Thank you.